Also, I hid a few secret Sprunki characters in this video. If you spot them, drop a comment and show me your pro eye skills. Sprunki Penz looks like a hyperactive drawing tool that escaped from an art class. He has a bright, round yellow head, two huge black eyes like glossy ink drops, and pencil boosters instead of ears. His body is a giant pencil shaft, and on his back he carries a jet eraser that shakes like a tiny pink rocket when he gets excited. He never walks, he scribbles across the ground. Sprunki Penz wasn't born, he was accidentally drafted. Some kid in Pyramix tried to create a simple pencil brush, but messed up so badly that the editor glitched, panicked, and spawned Penz instead. The first thing Penz did after coming to life was try to improve the world. He saw a chair. He didn't like the chair. He redrew the chair. Now the chair has 6 legs, googly eyes, and keeps trying to eat people's socks. That was the moment everyone realized. Penz isn't dangerous, his imagination is. When Penz gets excited, the pencil boosters on his head start spinning like helicopter blades. Last time that happened, he accidentally lifted off, hit the ceiling, and redrew the entire roof into a giant notebook page. It rained lines for 3 days. Despite all the chaos, Penz is extremely cheerful. If someone is sad, he draws them a smile. If someone is angry, he draws them extra eyebrows. If someone bullies him, he redraws their shoelaces into spaghetti. And the scariest part? Anything he draws can come to life. Even the stupid doodles he makes just to make himself laugh.